Hello traders. In this video I will share a free expert advisor. From the results of the backtest, this expert advisor can generate profits of more than 400% during the period January 2022 until November 2022. As we know, trading in the gold capital market has big profits and on the other hand has big risks too. With the gold ounce per US dollar Scalper expert advisor you can try trading on the gold market. But before using real money, I suggest you learn on a demo account first. At least 1 month to see its performance. The expert advisor will open trades from 2 to 6 transactions per day in search of the best profit. This expert advisor can be set to fix lots automatically. From some sources, the profit gain can reach 50% to 80%, but to prove it, you need to make observations first. I have done a backtest using Dukascopy data with a quality of 99.9%, using a capital of $100. The result is as follows. You can pause this video to see the details. From a capital of $100 can make a profit of $400. Consecutive loss is only one transaction. The resulting profit factor is also quite good, namely 9.02. But you can see here. With a capital of $100, the drawdown that occurs is quite high, namely 64.63%. And other detailed information, please pay attention again. For the recommended recommendations, of course you have to use the gold, USD pair with the M5 time frame. And run the Scalper Gold Expert Advisor on a VPS. For VPS recommendations I have included in the description link. Then you can download it from the download menu from the TradeEA.com website. There are 2 files that I have provided. Indicator files and expert advisor files. Copy this file and put it in the folder you installed MT4. Okay, that was the backtest result with a minimum capital of $100. His recommendation is to use at least $5,000 capital. I will show you the results of a capital of $5,000 with the default preset. You can see from this information, the resulting drawdown with a capital of $5,000 fell to 5.45%. With a good profit factor 9.01. Unlike the $100 capital, the drawdown reached 64.63%. Next I will backtest using a capital of $4,000 and $1,000. Please watch this video and see the results. The way to install it is very easy. You only need to put the file that has been downloaded to the folder you installed MetaTrader. Drag and drop the Expert Advisor to the gold ounce per US dollar chart with the M5 time frame. Make sure you have run the trading algorithm and checklist, etc. until this video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments column. And if this video is useful, you can click like and share this video. Thanks for the support and support.